Hello, so I'm back. I was having some internet problems where the last stream got interrupted like prematurely, but I had nothing to say much more, so I was going to end. No, we'll start with JavaScript right now, and so enumerability and ownership of property. Every property in JavaScript objects can be classified by three factors: enumerable, enumerable, enumerable or non-enumerable, string or symbol, own property or inherited property from the property chain. Okay. Enumerable properties are those properties whose internal enumerable flag is set true, okay, which is the default property created by simple assignment or by property initialization. The property is defined by object.define property and such are not enumerable by default. Most iteration means for such for in an object or keys only with enumerable keys. Ownership of property is determined by whether the property belongs to an object directly or is not in its prototype chain. All properties, enumerable strings or symbol, owned or inherited, can be accessed with dot notation or bracket notation. In this section, we will focus on JavaScript means on JavaScript means that visit a group of object property one by one. Querying object properties. There are four built-in ways to query a property of an object, and they all support both string and symbol keys. Um, the following table summarizes each when each method returns true. Okay, property is enumerable, true, enumerable, true, enumerable, inherited, a false, non-enumerable, obviously false, non-enumerable, inherited, has own property. Okay, so something to remember with experience. Um, Traversing object properties. There are many methods in JavaScript that traverse a group of properties of an object. Sometimes these properties are returned as an array, sometimes they are iterated one by one in loop, sometimes they are used for constructing and mutating other objects. The following table summarizes when the property may be visited. Methods that only visit string properties and only symbol properties have an extra note means property of type will be visited means will not. Okay. Object.keys. Okay, so something to remember with experience. Obtaining properties by and I actually don't understand this topic a lot. Um, I don't understand what they mean by enumerability. I think they mean related to arrays and something, but not a lot. It's not properly explained. And what is basically a property whose internal flag. Basically, that can be visited through a foreign loop. Cool. So now it makes a bit sense. Traversing object properties. They are methods in JavaScript that traverse a group of properties objects. Sometimes these properties are returned as an array, sometimes they are iterated one by one in a loop, sometimes they are used for constructing or mutating another object. The following table summarizes when a property may be visited. Methods that only visit single properties or only symbol properties will have an extra node means that property of the type will be visited. Okay, something to remember with experience. Okay, this is get get method. Basically, we can get the property and then this dot get property name object true false this dot enumerable. I don't understand this and uh, mm, uh, this this feels very non-important. Uh, do I think like it's just my ignorance. I don't actually like uh like I know that it feels non-important to me because it's my ignorance. This obviously somebody has made this. They must have thought a lot. The JavaScript was made in like a week or so as a project which grew on additions. So that's also the case. But yeah, or basically they are defining a function get own enumerable or it takes an object uh, and returns this dot get property names object. Let's see. They are making a few functions. Basically they are making a few functions. It seems like that. Okay. Object self iterator this should include. Okay. I guess it's for it's an object with okay basically it's an object with this property and this is a function. Cool. Let's see. Closures is an important topic, and uh, we'll do it properly. So, um, I'll take this in the next session. Today, I was also having a internet problem. It took me time to sort that out. So, um, I should have done this properly. Um, don't feel like it. Okay, cool.